The Ugandan parliament approved on Tuesday sweeping anti-gay legislation. Under the new rules, anyone who engages in same-sex activity or identifies as LGBT could face up to 10 years in prison. According to activist Robert Amwafu, the new laws are a disappointment.
First of all, to say it's quite sad and unfortunate that such a bill will be passed in this dispensation which we are in, where there is vast information about LGBT people being a group of people who are harmless, who are not criminals, and who do not cause any harm to anybody. And this is a second attempt at criminalizing LGBT people. One question that somebody will ask is what happened between the first law and the second law?
For the advocacy activists, LGBT people are being singled out needlessly.
I think this is a rhetoric of the anti-LGBT, anti-human rights, anti-democracy movement, which are all unfounded and untrue. We have seen around the world where LGBT people exist in peace and nothing of that sort exists. I think within the period of public hearings, the Ugandan parliament were probably educated by experts about the fact that some of these issues you are raising are unfounded and things that are being said out of ignorance. You ask them, where is the research you mentioned? Where is the data that you're talking about, which do not exist as far as we are concerned?
In recent years, Uganda's LGBTQ community has been under pressure from civil authorities to pass a tough new law punishing homosexual activity.
If you look at this trend of what is happening, it's a clear indication that this could be a trump card for any group of people who are hoping to criminalize in their countries. But let's not forget that we are in a continent that is guided by the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. And the African Commission passed a resolution 275 that requests governments to protect LGBT people or sexual minorities and gender minorities from violence. So it would be worrying that we see this trend happening. And this clearly shows that we need attention on this matter. We need to ensure that this does not go along being a roller coaster where we keep going around with these incidents.
Homosexuality is a crime in more than 30 out of Africa's 54 countries.